In this video, you are going to see how to change the page number color in Microsoft PowerPoint. As you can see here, let's get started. To change the page number color, let us select any slide. Now, first we need to add the page number. Go to Insert, go to Header and Footer and go to Slide Number. Click on Apply to All, then the number will be added. But this is very small. We want to change the color and the size. Click on the anywhere of the slide, go to View and click on Slide Master and click on the first slide. Then go to over here, select the hash sign and click on right button, go to Font. You can change the font size to 20 point. You can make it bold and you can change the font to Times New Roman, and you can change the font color from here very easily and click on OK. Now close master view and here you will see I have changed the font color very easily. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.